first key thing that I want to get you used to, and this will lead into the first move that you will learn here, is the maki roll. And to understand the maki roll, you first have to understand how to change directions. So in one of the videos, I talked about how this is overhand when I'm facing this way, rope's coming from the top, and this is underhand when I'm facing the other way, rope is coming from the bottom. So you want to get used to switching directions just by turning your body, right? And keeping the rope going in the same rotation, that cardinal law, right? It's always flowing in that same clockwise or counterclockwise movement, depending on how you start. So once you get used to that, so this is your propeller, then you can start to see that, if I'm turning here, I'm going overhand to underhand to overhand. And then the same when you do things like the dragon roll. With the dragon roll right now, I'm still moving the rope in the same direction, if you notice, like this. But now it's just in a more open position. So what you notice is when I look to the right, I'm actually doing a throw movement to an overhand. This is called the ace. And then if I go to the left, that's a swing to an underhand, right? So again, dragon, and then on the front, it's a swing to an underhand. And that's how some of these transition movements help you go from overhand to underhand. What you will start to practice as well is instead of flowing facing forward like this, you will want to start practicing the sideward stance a bit more, where you have yourself facing your rope like in the propeller, because that gives you quick and easy access to both overhand and underhand practices. So you can more easily move from one side to the other side, versus if you're going this way, when you want to go to underhand, you basically have to, go to overhand, turn yourself around 180 degrees, right? So if you're doing sideward practices, make sure that you also practice facing the other way, so that you're used to being overhand not only on the right side, but also being overhand on the left side as well of your body. So just to balance it out. And this is kind of the starting point. So I look forward to having you on the rest of the journey and mastering some of the more advanced moves that we are about to go into.